Hi guys, back again with another new video tutorial in which I will tell you how you can check the Wi-Fi and data usage in your device Vivo T1 Pro. So if in this device you want to check how much data you have used, whether it's a Wi-Fi or the mobile data, you can check your usage by the method as I will show you. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps in watch complete video and you will learn how you can check your Wi-Fi and data usage in your device. Let's watch the video.